Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another tutorial video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be doing a demonstration on how to remove the A-pillar trim on a Ford Ranger. This truck I am working with here today is a 1998 model, and a similar procedure applies to this generation of Ranger with the same cab styles. This can be done by hand, and no tools are required for the removal process. Opening the door first, grabbing onto the portion of the trim by the headliner, gently pull it out. Careful around the headliner as you can damage it. Once the clip is disconnected, the rest of the trim can pop off easily. Along the side of the windshield also has two more clips. Once this trim has been fully disconnected, lift it straight up. Now a view of the opposite side using the same procedure. Considering it's cold outside, it's always important to take extra care with any plastic components as they are more brittle and can break. Now a view behind the trim. Around the windshield, there are clips which pinches over the sheet metal. By the headliner, there's expanding clips which fits into a rectangular slot. If the clips stay around the windshield, use a standard screwdriver to gently pop them up off their location, then slide them back onto the trim. Now behind the trim, you're able to see the different clips. For reinstallation, it's basically in reverse of removal. I'll show you a couple different views. Push the trim into place behind the dashboard's edge, push on the trim along the windshield's edge, and then finish up along the top by the headliner. For the opposite side, to ensure those clips are lining up, you can peek in by the door's edge. Then pushing the clips along the headliner. The edge of the trim wraps around the rear pillar trim. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to follow my social media pages such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to keep up to date with my latest projects. And if you're not a subscriber, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.